Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to turn off auto updates on Play Store on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, automatic updates may introduce changes or features that you are not comfortable with or that affect the app's functionality negatively. Disabling auto updates prevent apps from updating without your consent, giving you time to review changes before updating. So, let's go to the tutorial. First step, you can go to the Play Store application. And then you can tap on profile icon here. So now you can select the settings option. And on this page, you can select network preferences and click on the second option here. After that, here you can choose to tap Done Auto Update Apps. Okay, so the auto updates on Play Store is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off auto updates on Play Store on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.